In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Virgin Money in 2025. If you're considering banking with Virgin Money, you have some great options to choose from when it comes to checking accounts. Your first step is to pick the account that best suits your needs. Virgin Money offers three main types of accounts. There's the M Plus account, which is a standard account that offers interest on your balances. If you're someone who prefers a straightforward account that rewards you for keeping your money there, this might be the right option for you. Then there's the M account, which is a basic option that's ideal for those with limited credit. It's designed to help you manage your money with fewer restrictions. Finally, you have the Club M account, which is a packaged account offering added benefits, appealing for those who like a bit more bundled with their banking. So take a moment to compare these accounts and decide which one aligns with your financial habits and goals. Once you've settled on the right account for you, it's time to start your application process. This can be done entirely online, which is super convenient. To begin, simply head over to the Virgin Money website. Look for the Get Started button next to your chosen account and click on it. If you're someone who prefers using your smartphone, you can also use the Virgin Money mobile app to apply. Download the app from the App Store if you're an Apple user or Google Play if you're on Android. Next, you'll need to enter some personal details to set up your account. This includes your full name, date of birth, address, and contact information. You'll also be required to provide a form of identification such as your passport or UK driving license. Additionally, the application process will require some financial information like your income details and any recent addresses you've had. Have these pieces of information handy to make the process smoother. After entering your personal details, it's time to verify your identity. To do this, you can upload your identification documents digitally. Alternatively, Virgin Money might send an authentication code to your registered address, which you can use to verify your identity. Now that you've done all that, the final step is to submit your application. Before you hit that submit button, make sure to review all the information you've provided to ensure everything is correct. Once you're confident everything is accurate, submit your application online. Keep in mind that Virgin Money may conduct a credit check as part of this process, which is a standard practice for financial institutions. And there you have it. You've successfully gone through the steps to open a checking account with Virgin Money online. This process has been streamlined to save you time while ensuring your financial needs are met with ease and security.